the Indian government's revocation of the special status of Jammu and Kashmir on the 5th of August, much of the state has been effectively cut off from the outside world. The Indian government contends that this is solely an internal matter. Yet the reality is, since 1947, Jammu and Kashmir has been a disputed territory, and reports of systematic abuse of human rights continue. In European Union trade agreements, we increasingly insist that respect for human rights must be included. We must apply those same standards to any agreement with the Republic of India, and we must urgently demand that international observers be allowed freely into Kashmir. In this House, we should aspire to be the friends of India and also to be the friends of Pakistan. And we must also recognise that the best route to lasting peace would be to enable Kashmiris to determine their own future.